Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen innovation with a lineup of must-have gadgets that will totally transform the way you cook, prep, and even clean up. These tools are about to make your life so much easier for everyone. Before that, like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's get into it. After this, I am showing you a multifunctional slicer cutter which you will get with a container. In this container, however much you chop onions or you want to chop eggs, tomatoes, everything gets cut in it, and you can easily take it out from this container into your utensil. And this is a very nice stick basket paper for steaming. If you want to make momos or any other snacks, you can use this paper there. You can also use it by keeping it in your steel utensil, and you can also keep it in your basket etc. for steaming. After this, you will find the sink over dish rack here. This rack is very useful for you. You can store all the kitchen utensils on your sink itself so that your kitchen is completely spacious. It looks completely clean and neat. All the utensils are available in front of you. Whenever you cook, you can take them out immediately from it. And this is Walmart spice holder, which is very good for your kitchen. If you use spices in the kitchen, then you can stick these in your kitchen. These have magic stickers. You can put this on your kitchen counter so that when you cook, you can easily find all the spices and salt etc. in front of you. And this is the plate bowl drying rack. With this drying rag, you can dry your plates and bowls very well because you can also keep it on your kitchen counter. It is a little light, but it is made of metal which is very strong. Guys, you can keep your plates and bowls on it. All the water gets drained with the help of which you can pour out the water in your wash basin. This is the foldable kitchen storage rack. It is foldable. You can store every kitchen utensil in it by unfolding it, and it is made of metal. You will get 4 layers in it. If you want to buy bigger than this, you can also buy bigger so that all the kitchen items can fit in it. It can be stored in it and your kitchen looks absolutely clean and neat. I am showing you an egg holder for fridge. This holder will be very useful for you to keep eggs etc. in the fridge. Your eggs will not break in this. If you take one out from the front, then it automatically comes forward from the back, so you do not have to do any hard work in this. And this is a foldable storage basket which is made of metal. This guy also has wheels. You can remove it easily at the time of cleaning, so you can store a lot of vegetables in different layers. You can store different vegetables and fruits in each layer, and you can rotate it to any side at any time. Because whatever vegetables you want to take out, you can easily take them out by rotating it. After this, I am showing you the automatic mixer grinder. This is a kind of jug which is completely made of steel from inside. You can grind your whole spices in it, and if you want to take out juice etc. of anything, then you can take it out. It is an amazing product for your kitchen. This is a cup slicer cutter. It works very well. Be it any potato or tomato, onion or fruits. You can cut soft fruits into pieces like coffee. You do not have to work hard in this without using a knife.